Welcome to the ultimate showcase of tech greatness. Today we'll be diving headfirst into Microsoft Copilot PCs. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Buckle up as we explore some jaw-dropping new releases from our fantastic partners. We'll be checking out some cutting-edge creations from Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo, and Samsung. But first, let's talk about what makes Copilot PCs so special. Picture this, a PC that's not just a device, but a true companion. With AI-driven features, these machines are designed to make your life easier, smarter, faster. And yes, I'll be giving a special shout out to the legendary Microsoft Surface along the way. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell us if there's a particular device you'd love to see a deep dive on, and let's get this conversation rolling. But stay tuned because we're just getting started. Let's dive into the world of Copilot PCs and discover which device is your perfect match. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech-tastic content, and let's get this tech party started. Let's start with Acer. The Acer Swift 14 AI is a beast when it comes to speed and responsiveness. It's rocking the latest ARM-based silicon architecture, making it perfect for those heavy-duty tasks and effortless multitasking. The visuals simply stunning, with clarity, rich color, and sharp details that will blow your mind, whether you're working, creating, or binge watching your favorite shows. There's a really cool feature located on the top right hand corner of your touchpad, where you'll find the activity indicator. It lights up whenever Copilot is doing its magic. Plus, with biometric security features like Windows Hello, you can log in with a glance or a touch. Safe, secure, and super cool. Before we dive into the next PC, let's check out some quick specs from the Acer Swift 14 AI. This incredibly intelligent device delivers 45 trillion operations per second, matching the performance of the Surface Copilot Plus laptop and Pro, making it one of the smartest, fastest laptops around thanks to the Snapdragon X series processors. Plus, it boasts an impressive 26 hours of battery life and weighs just 1.36 kilos. Now, moving on to Asus. Their latest marvel comes with an integrated AI engine that takes AI computing to a whole new level. With Copilot in Windows, you get a personalized assistant, and with a suite of powerful Asus AI applications makes your PC the ultimate sidekick. Get ready to experience the difference. Easier, faster, smarter, and smoother. The Asus VivoBook S15 stands out for its ultra slim and lightweight design, redefining elegance with its minimalist aesthetics. The premium CNC engraved logo adds a touch of class, while the visual tapered unibody design ensures solidity and stability. Whoa, say that 10 times fast. Experience seamless portability and stunning looks without sacrificing power. With two USB 4 ports acting as versatile hubs, you'll experience lightning-fast data transfer coupled with effortless charging. Other ports provide flexible connectivity options, allowing you to instantly connect to external displays, mice, keyboards, speakers, or headsets. It's a hub of possibilities at your fingertips. The 15.6-inch 3K 120Hz OLED display with its 2880 by 1620 resolution delivers refined, spectacular highlights and extraordinary shadow details, all in vivid, true-to-life color. Immerse yourself in an incredibly smooth and vivid, entertaining and creative experience. Let's talk about Dell and the XPS 13. This iconic laptop now packs a punch with on-device AI that delivers cutting-edge responsiveness and impressive speeds for those demanding workloads. Plus, this beast is all about freeing up your time to be more creative, all while extending your battery life. Crafted with aluminium and Gorilla Glass 3, the XPS 13 is sleek, strong, and lightweight. Available in graphite and platinum, it flaunts an elegant, minimalistic design that will turn heads. Switching tasks? No problems. The modern interior keeps things clean and harmonious. The touch function row lets you toggle between media and function keys easily, bringing forward only icons you want. And the keyboard, it got larger, deeper, and has touch-friendly keycaps with less space between the keys for typing efficiency. Oh, and did I mention, just like the Copilot Plus Surface laptop, there's a haptic touchpad. It's all about that precise, responsive feedback. Watching content on the XPS 13 is a visual treat with its 13.4 touch-capable Infinity Edge display. Up to 3K plus resolution on the OLED display delivers higher brightness and lower power consumption. Your content comes alive with sharp details, true-to-life color, and rich cinematic sound. Say goodbye to interruptions and hello to endless creativity and productivity. Imagine working on your presentation or diving deep into video streaming from anywhere, anytime with a device that's got your back. Enjoy larger-than-life visuals on a QHD Plus display screen, plus a 16:10 aspect ratio that means less scrolling and more seeing. The display boasts a dazzling 400 nit brightness level, and Dolby Visions for that oh-so-vivid viewing experience. And the sound, quad speakers with premium smart amplifiers that make you feel like you're in a mini theater. Get ready to catch the Dell Inspiron 14 Plus and XPS 13 in action today. Watch how the Dell family of Copilot Plus PCs is pushing the AI experience in new heights in portable design. Whether you're crafting the perfect presentation or diving into the latest binge-worthy series, these devices have got your back. Equipped with the Snapdragon Elite processor, the HP OmniBook XAI delivers all-day battery life. And when it is time to recharge, HP have fast charge that's got your back. Ready to unlock your productivity potential? The OmniBook XAI is your perfect partner in crime. Just don't try to blame it for your unfinished work. It's way too smart for that. The OmniBook XAI is here to turbocharge your productivity. Featuring a 5 megapixel camera and Windows Studio effects, you can bid farewell to poor quality video calls. Embrace perfectly clear video chat and top-notch collaboration tools to ensure seamless connectivity. Crafted from 50% recycled metals and 50% post-consumer ocean-bound plastics, the HP OmniBook XAI is not just a power-packed performer, but also a champion of the environment. Sporting an EPAT Gold registration and Energy Star certification, this device is a green warrior, slashing the environment impact while boasting energy efficiency. The OmniBook XAI delivers all-day battery life, letting you work from literally anywhere. And when it is time to recharge, HP Fast Charger's got you covered. Power up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Ready to unleash your productivity potential? HP OmniBook XAI is the perfect AI assistant. Level up with the Yoga Slim 7X 14 Snapdragon AI laptop. It's more than just smart. It's your creative sidekick that anticipates your needs before you do. Designed for AI, it smooths out your creative tasks with learned on-device intelligence. The PureSight OLED's 14.5-inch 3K Dolby Vision's 90Hz touch display hits 1000 peaks of brightness. Light up your world with crystal clarity and intense contrast. Perfect for those creators who refuse to let the sun outshine their work. The PureSight OLED is all about that 100% sRGB P3 color game. Consider your creativity unleashed with the full spectrum of colors. The ultra-thin Lenovo Yoga 7X is on deck, starting at just 1.28 kilos or 2.8 pounds for our US viewers. It's the ultimate in portable power. With its comfortable edge design and cool cosmic blue chassis, it's built for creators on the move. And it meets military-grade MIL STD 810H durability standards. Tough yet stylish, just like you. This device rocks 90% post-consumer plastics in its power adapter. half in the keyboard, and 50% recycled aluminium base. Not only will you be carrying less weight, but you'll also be carrying the future on your back. The Galaxy Book 4 Edge continues Samsung's legacy of providing best-in-class experiences through premium hardware expertly tuned to cutting-edge software. Designed from the ground up for AI, the Galaxy Book 4 Edge marks Samsung's entrance into the world of Copilot PCs. Equipped with the industry-leading Snapdragon X Elite processor with an advanced NPU on board. The Galaxy Book 4 Edge delivers transformative AI-powered experiences for work and creativity. Amazingly slim and lightweight, Galaxy Book 4 Edge is your ultra-portable companion on the path to greatness. Available in 2 different sizes, it's crafted with a minimalist design approach, so you can pack it effortlessly into your bag and carry it to your next meeting or business trip. Upgrade your video calls from the standard laptop webcam to the stunning clarity using your Samsung Galaxy smartphone as a connected camera. Connect seamlessly with your Galaxy Book 4 Edge. Switch between front and rear facing cameras to find your angle. And enjoy high quality pictures with enhanced video effects in the video applications. With Phone Link, you can easily switch between your Samsung phone and the Windows PC. Make calls, take calls, reply to text, access up to 2,000 photos and more is so easy on the Galaxy Book 4 Edge. And that is a wrap. If your brain isn't doing cartwheels from all that tech goodness, then you must be a robot. Which, hey, in that case, I may have just reviewed your next upgrade. Before you scuttle off to your next YouTube adventure, please hit that subscribe button like that unwanted huntsman in your bedroom. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, or hey, at least mildly entertaining. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which device made you yell out, "Take my money!" Or tell me which PC you'd love to see an epic showcase on next. Until next time, stay tech savvy, stay awesome, and may your Wi-Fi signal forever be strong. Peace out.